So today we're going through a mini PR unboxing and beauty haul. So I'm really excited to introduce you guys to a new to me brand, and it's called Raw Nails. Let me show you guys the packaging here. I don't know about you, but I am such a sucker for really nice packaging. Let's open this up because I'm already like sold. So this one is called I'm No One's Second Choice. And ain't that the truth? I love that they come in little boxes. I think it's so cute and just gives it like this really premium feel. Look out for the next video when we go through these products in more detail. So next up is EXO Nail Polish Remover Wipes. So this is a US based brand. They are acetone free and they're made with organic ingredients. They are individually wrapped, which is always nice. And I can already smell it through the package. It's a really nice smell. They've also sent me bubblegum scented. I've never tried nail polish remover wipes before, so you know me, I'm always tried and true with my 100% Onyx acetone. So I'm really curious to try kind of a different alternative. But now we're gonna go through my mini beauty haul. So these are just kind of some products that I purchased that I ran out of during quarantine, so now I'm trying to replenish. First, I got these lashes from the brand SocialEyes. They're just so easy to apply and I find the quality to be really, really good. This is another Canadian brand. I got the style Glamorous. I don't know if you can. So this next brand that I wanted to try out is called SUVA Beauty. I ordered it and I got the 630 brush to apply the liquid liner. I got this pink one in Scrunchy, and I got a yellow one in Dance Party. This last one is kind of like a royal blue. I have never tried colored eyeliner before, so I'll let you guys know how that goes. So let's just open up one of them and see what's inside. Okay, so the box is a little bit, I'm trying not to tear the box. It's a little bit hard to open. Okay, finally got it open. No problem though. It's like a little bit of a powder and it's got a little gauze on top. How it works, from what I know, is you would have to mix it with water to activate the pigment and create that liquid liner consistency. That's gonna be pretty fun to play with. Next is my purchase from Juvia's place. So this one I got an eyeshadow palette. What I really liked about it was how bright the colors looked, at least in the picture. This is what it looks like inside. For me, when I'm buying eyeshadows, I find it really hard to find ones that are pigmented enough to show up really well on my skin tone. It looks bright in the palette or in the container, but then when I apply it, it's like, where'd the color go? Having to like put so much on just to build up the color. I'm gonna do a little swatch just to see how it turns out. Try the purple one here. Okay, not bad. Okay, it's not bad. I feel like that could work really, really well if I build that up. Already looking pretty impressed, okay? But the real test is when I actually try it on my eyes and put a whole look together, and then we'll really see. So next I got the Madame liquid lipstick set. This is a set of 2 lipsticks. I got these 2 purple shades. One's metallic and one is just a regular matte lipstick. I love my matte liquids, but I haven't tried the metallic ones. So let's see how that works out. Last but not least is this liquid lipstick that I got. It's in black. It's also a matte lipstick, and let's see how that goes. And last but not least is my Sephora haul. This was probably the most expensive, but I'm gonna start with the mascara. This is the Roller Lash. I never thought that I would spend this much on a mascara, but after trying the Roller Lash from Benefit, I'm like, girl, you know, it just makes my lashes go like bling. You know what I mean? You have your mascara on and your lashes are like fluttering, you're like Next, I replenished my NARS foundation. I tend to have to mix colors together to get kind of the ideal foundation, but this one, I'm in the shade Aruba, and this is the natural radiant foundation. The next, I got the Sephora Precision Brush Liquid Eyeliner. I just love working with this particular eyeliner. I find that I have really good control with it. Now that wasn't without practice. I got the 7 Virtues Rollerball perfume. This is Vanilla Woods scent. This perfume, it smells so good. I'm like, oh my god. Where have you been all my life? It's supposed to be more all natural, more organic ingredients, you know, paraben free. I feel like it has a really pure scent. If you do like warm scents, or if you do like perfumes in general, I really do recommend and suggest this one. Next is the Dipbrow Pomade in Ebony. This is definitely my go-to eyebrow filler, or eyebrow, yeah, we'll say filler, or like definer, whatever you want to call it. It's kind of like a dark brown. I always thought I would be more suited for like a black or gray, off black, that kind of thing, but I actually find that the brown just makes it a little bit more subtle. This one was just kind of on sale. It's like a little concealer brush. I mean, you can never have too many brushes, really. I hope it works well. I mean, I love the Sephora brand makeup brushes, so I can't imagine being disappointed with this one, but anyway, got that. The last up is this Fresh Vitamin Nectar mask. A little bit under the makeup, I have a little bit of hyperpigmentation from like acne scarring. I heard a few reviews of this product helping with that in conjunction with other vitamin C products. So I definitely wanted to go out and try it and just see if that works for me, see if it does help. I'm currently not using any other products to help with that, so at least trying it, I can kind of get a true sense of whether it's effective or not. Let's see what the texture is like. It actually smells really good. It's got like almost like a jelly texture. I like it. The true test again is when you actually apply it and use it, but at least kind of seeing and smelling it here, it's not too overwhelming, which I really like. Guys, so that's the haul. Those are the unboxing products. Let me know if you have any recommendations or what you think of these products, and post your comments below and share that with me. I'm really excited for these products. I'm really excited for these PR packages, and make sure you keep a lookout on my Instagram or on my blog, letstalkmorepolish.com, and see how these turn out, okay? So I will see you in my next video. Bye!